ya dano apa no hontoma anasa ho na be so ne nsai aye introduction no
okay
ensem pie bla na ye boy ye koyanim na bla na ye bo no hwan na duru no so na hwan mpo na eso ne nsa na wa introduce no anopen koma ye die ni
Matemini amedase nyamenhira chia die tifo nyina ahwefo special ye mame odobroni baby obi a mechia no pa also Professor Aja Abraham so mechia no ene adofo nyina ene me yonku bia madam fo pa bia o Germany o ye DLFM pa baby obi a so mechia no ajoa mechia no pa asama obisa no on say it's like you are next on the line.
Sure.
When you are next on the line, you need somebody to introduce you. It's a BUP. Introduction isn't the problem. The most of the time, when you are next on the line, whether you like or not, you need somebody to introduce you. The nipa na obey introduce you. That is where the problem comes from.
Lawyer, my man kind of TF one say, "Bombardier the 2 American share or Facebook on so." DLFM 106.9 ya demo life nti oba edwumade no betimi enya kwanya na wahwe na watumi so ahye ema foforo etimi enya ho mfa so sanso na WhatsApp number ne ya adwuma wotese de ba beje mane ya kenkan sembisa bia opese obisa FM koma ya ne lawyer edino anope no obetumi dia 505934065565 sanso na Facebook no at DLFM 106.9 de ba ya beje mane ya kenkan edemo sanso na betimi ahye ema foforo so enya so emfa so lawyer yentu ankoma twetwe ne so
Matemini me da say said the American on say when you are next on the lawyer you need somebody to introduce you but in print nipa be or why now they have a problem with that when a bad introduction it become a problem also bitimi kwa ka say seven predators when I can't say man when I boy me when I dey me fa kwan we so e ma say pie but I say say was sorry tia me because I didn't know was right here. No one introduce you, but was sounds right here. But the person me money pa ya tia say and say, sa problem no. Aye normal. Enye issue bi a say no so no obi bre say me ko ha me ko bom pa ya fa ho. Oh, sometimes ya nya nyankopon na onye on so ho ton kakra. So you nipa so you nipa at the end of the day ka who say adwuma ensese wo na wo ye no. Na o esese wo san de koma no so niam bi wo ho a we don't need our ye hiam mere say ye be waste your time e wo sade no because I practicals and you rather have to be smart enough.
Wow.
So when you're smart enough tem bia no wo be bonko for sobo wo be bonko for sobo to the stage say ase sabe o won kwa na ya pack enemies so omuni wachi. So on the major was it. It is said the wokoye bibi. I didn't know wokoye no. Can who say wokoye no? Other is it good or bad? Obi your interest. Obi or interest room. But most important, when you are doing the right thing, I'm telling you about 100% people or more interest was adding. Now more interest was adding no. And you munyina so and a 4 day away so. So on the make you say, and you munyina na force, na you munyina na feel say they are happy with it. They are not happy. Most of them are not happy. And ka mame back on then ne ma be 4. And ka back to me sorry tia back on. Because you know one father. I don't think I may come anymore so sorry tia me. So on the make you say, and your back on a normal practice be, but you rather have to be smart. Mfa who you are obu ha me kra de nipa de me ni nipa nhia me ni nipa kra nkasa me ni nipa nye sei wo boa brother wo boa sister wo boa wo ye hwan you need somebody you need somebody wo hia say obi be introduce you sometimes no one say I said you wo call baby wo call bank now wo ko dru baby na wo hu baby a bank no wo na wo busa me call bank but wo nim bibi anya bank na wo call. But your mouth direction be a closer to the bank. And I say a bank ho. But who bought bank didn't pay. The new partner back adjourn say, I say who iska and I'll call transaction.
Sure.
So on the major say,
no question.
And this any penny any bonnet for obeti me di wonte. Sabi uko yi ya na je papa. Eh bisu a na nya sa de nti na wo ko. I normal practice. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
It is that they will take care of no catch on say and wafre call obi yafre about $2,000 $500,000 in my kwaji o bag me the coffee. But a lot of people are there. do you think that Obi are very happy with you?
David.
Criminals home. Enti you bet me the entire ko hu baby a uko. Enti woni baba ho so no na ye boy wura ho anadwo bi na be operation na ya juice ka no.
Echire din.
So, enti nipa ye na masase so no, we need somebody to introduce you. Whether you like or not, somebody must be introduced. No be introduced. You must be very careful. I had implications no.
Introduction
where you introduce we are. And so you're careful. Now you're smart enough. And you be bia na baby a ukoye na say be catch nipa na o introduce you no. Also obi wo okra no a woni na damfo bi adamfo mi no ma mi no mo nam. No ma kwhia bema bi. Bema I introduce girl ba kwa ma na damfo bi a bema bi. Na bi a make say niam e koso bi oh boy na ma me say yo eh wako ha da ma me yo eh wo so be me say yo oh wo so be. Are you telling me say are you okay? Are you telling me say you are doing the right thing? Ope say I say who dwa wani I don't know. So who dwa wani mo sense who can sempo. Are you think say nipa na wo kasa asam kire no? Obey okay. And you be an kasa asam no kire no.
And your secret is your power.
That is the point. And you be an ka kire no. And to start say wo ka kire no no. Ono so no I hear say make say no no excuse me to say. Go be kra obeto am na di na din.
Din ma no.
Also, so you rice 2 bags. Ya yes provision stop nema akogu fie. Nti wo kasa asam ne kire ne nyina no. Ha no downfall. Aha, and no downfall. Nti sen dia na ese me ye. Etwa se enipa ayi mi ana nipa introduce me akoba bi no. Me na ese me yusu madwen. Na me stay cool.
Ezi lawyer ha no me te wase a. Se bra ye boy no ebedu baabi na bia bi kura na me padwuma bi mu kwan na obi edimenim ha de bra me so nsa de wakɔ ade wunya adwuma na wo yempo ana se obi aduanim abɔkwan bi ato anim a ene nkyerɛ sɛ twintwina atwan de ebesi bi ɛsɛ ɔkɔbɔ na
that is not true, but on say your mentality be say sabi yo excuse me to say Ghana Christosome no your understanding about Christosome no you different no your understanding about Christosome no you different. Oh, because of some media, I mean to me for BBNC, no, because I know no enka manusa biaha, ubinka say in Bonia.
Yes, there is difference between Bonia, say who in Panama, and it's a Kukuamun say
that is the point. But yeah, you feel say yes, I did not. I said my Bonia. So the major I say, or Chinameka say now Daka Bima Uchi. Obega until baby I'm didn't go in on your car. And I want to me and can't me say Yamau car po. Pacho Yamau car.
Madam for baby I just said
I had the business.
Nyankuba could be puna introduce you the guy in a man.
Yeah.
On an equa do on the bed of a
that is the problem. And this yes, and this BBC and now BBC. I was a young fan of Mofamuna.
Or you
not uncle ya. But I know so empire.
David.
And when in Anna, you are not smart enough. Anything that the BIM can say, we your Berma and now we your bar. She no one can fight Jimmy for Adam for.
Right, I want to look PTB.
Missy, we your bar and now we your Berma. So far, Adam for member, you don't know what far we young con and Nam for nominal. Please, she no one can fight Jimmy for Adam for.
There's a honey introduction.
Oh, yes. And go fight Jimmy for Adam for.
Ness and penny for say, and I'm Diasona Homa Hunsro.
Yes, and I'm just
no Mrs. said, Dianico Diabonia, and Homana Sobayas.
That is the point. And then the fact of the matter is say, in Nance, a son say, sub in Previasan, oh, Kobe Binti, because you are next on the line. You are going somewhere. Are you following what I'm saying? You are going somewhere. And to walk somewhere, and so it's a say, we hear Obia, or what destiny with direction. Are you following what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
Destiny with direction. And say, when who said the Nuna Hunua Ubayira? Because you have no direction, because Nipan Alcofano said, Sabi, not you know of him. Obey that directive. Yes, any friendly directive, the young Kunifreni, and Pato Denibisi.
Or Munina Bayra.
To Munina Yarasu, what is the problem? Are you following what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
So the better thing that you see here and say, then be a one number one. Over here, Nipa. What you time? We need somebody. Because you are next on the line.
Sure.
As I said, we quine and will be introduced to a sequence. And no, it's not his business. Ni do things say, obey introduce you. And I say, obey channel quine. But what chile me kwan no en chese me ko na me ko fa asase de a ese me de be chile no.
Ebia no no an eboa won so nani be san berew.
Me se nani be berew. Ani bre no. This is a part of ani bre. Because ono no be ono kra na be ma ono ne te no kra no sabi o on kan chene so wa koye ne ho ade. But who are introduce you ma obi no wo yes next month ye koye wo ho ade.
Ye koye wedding.
What the things that you will be happy. You obeba wedding no come on. Obeba pa but the oye bia no osan sugu ne yam. Ne ya. So onim se bia nipa no de wo nante no wa dompo ana wo de wakoto ba bi. So on de me chowa se. No onim se nipa no nante no wa dompo no de wakoto ba bi. But wo hu ye no say the odwe ye na anye sa.
Wow.
Are you following what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
And to say, oh yeah, now we resist our secret to when you know, man. Nasa what do fuck and boni be so this have nothing to do with God.
And then I'm a summa
That be this have nothing to do with God. Uye nipa obi ya boa. Wo so de na say oye. So say wo kai no. But me kai wa, me kai wo say me be kan hintasem. Ana ne me course nyina kyerɛw. Na ni bebreo.
Wow.
Obi nam sesi ame no kase nani bere no. One na introduce no so nani bere no.
Sure.
But one ma hu se nani bere ho. Obi wo hokra na obefa kwan bia so oni beba ho so no na watwa won kwan na so. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
So you need somebody to introduce you because you are next on the line. But enema ese hu no say o introduce you no e duty bi and why. O ye wi a eno ano no. And kyerɛ sɛ wo kɔɔyɛ no yɛbɔ wasoma bɛka kyerɛ no. And kyerɛ sɛ wo kɔɔyɛ no yɛkyɛ wade a bɛka kyerɛ no. On sɛ nipa bi wɔ so how to say ɔkɔkora ne yɛkyɛ nade a no ɔkɔ no ɔne nadamfo no ayɛ dɛ akɔkyɛm.
Deɛ bɛsi bia from A to Z.
A to Z no ɔne nakɔkyɛm. Menka sɛ memma no biribi. Wowɔ biribi a wode bɛma no a ɛyɛ adeɛ na mede ma wo. But wo need right sɛ wobɛbusa wo sɛ na wonya no ɔhe. Hwan na de ma wo? Anaasɛ sei na ɔde ma wo. Nti woyɛ sure sɛ sika obi kɔ bɛtumi abusa sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ 1,000 na ɔde ma wo. Because meaning so on the wait more than that. I say well no wo beche.
Sure.
More no san nkomodie we course no. Ka hu say what create enemy.
E je tuato baby.
What create enemy. Nti nkofo be create enemy for yourself. Omo ankasa na create enemy no. Nti se me am create enemy a. No ma san kwhye baby se me bom paye.
Emfa.
For what? Are you follow what I'm saying,
sure,
bro?
Lawyer.
So mean to mean create enemy no me am my enemy. No me ye enemy ni wie ya me se me kwa akobɔ ho mpa ye se nyame nyini mfiri ho
nti age wa wugya wo ho ye wugya se wo create enemy
kwan ya wo fa so a wo create enemy no fa sa kwan no so na sane no na enemy no nkɔ na fe wo me ye enemy biem so ohun da me chewa se enti menye wadwen se me ye papa bi ama wo bi ana me ye biribi ama nipa no hu se me de me di no kware enu nti because of sa no kredie nti no asa wo be pe wasama to the king no who create enemy for yourself.
Wow.
You are creating enemy for yourself. So obi introduce you that doesn't mean say pin to fam cry say okobona mane.
Say obi aboa wo na ono na akere wo kwan bia na wo hia bibi wadi wanim but I no nkire say
any the better thing is say wo hwehwe bibi as obi be hwehwe DLFM 106.9. Okay, fine. Na me gina junction na ma direct say this is a DL 106 and I will call who we are. Obana de obenya no dear habia no. I'm still waiting for you. Sebra
be catch them.
Never catch them. Are you okay?
There be anya ne sakra.
Anya ne sa. So on the mention say. Do the things that be but that brother thank you. Nyame shraw. Why you na djuma wie?
We be wa kuma de man and wa.
So if you say person money bibia, that's all. But eno nkyere say chinkyere say me kwahwehwe no. Na me catch no.
Nkoma obedi wa
ha nyina me catch no.
Me da se pa na me call dear no. Me ni wo me koye ade.
Me koye o say me koye say obi me pacho wonim nipa no a.
Wonni di.
Wo introduce wo no na.
There be.
Wonim no. Wonim ba bi ofiri ba. Wonim ni mission. Wonim di opeso wo ye.
There be o.
And then crofo bebrebe I entertaining crofo bi wo ma ware mu. Problem e wo aware no nyina no. You are entertaining nipa bi. And nipa bi adana advisor. And one na advise won. Into on my way be no my way see. Can who say B ni C? B ni C no it become D plus. So when you become D plus now where the A no bar, definitely there should be a fight. There should be a fight.
Obi wa wade asitie na dan for cross na
nuku. Masa, nese na dan for cross na dan for no become a god. Ni yonkona by your god. It's like a Ghana has a particular artiste here. let me tell you something. Some way, sometimes people disagree with me, but I'll say it. About 80% to 90%. Almost of one again,
Oh, I need to say no correct.
80 to 90% of software again, man.
The soft on the back.
Your back can be a fanner. Until one is access person way. What will happen?
Na enya no kura de ntina nka osofo besra ayi asore ba otumi man bo fufuro okura obi ani di mu da na ne kunu de esuru ni tis
esuru ni tis so be serve no kura wo ankasa wo be ma no wo a wo ye ne yere no wo beduru a wo bedwa
be render useless
so no more useless until that is what it is. People amanfo bi na dwene ma won until can't you think won't mean trance now won't mean take stock of your life obi ho a in on one kasa life won't mean take stock of his life unless obi na ba be take him no.
Wow.
Until nipa na obi take him no you find say your enemy. That is the point. Because for pe akwhwem because omuntimi nwene ma wo ho.
Lawyer na meti wase ya na esa brabo na ebi mu bo de na nso obi na ebo bra na ma wo.
Obi na ebo bra na ma wo because first you wo bo bra se wo bo abrabo na obi na hye wachi. And ono kire say koto tomatoes na fa kwesi circle na ye beto. Now we follow no akoto now the kwesi circle. Oh, yes, one day obeka cho say afa no amu jollof rice na fa kwesi nsamampom ye beto.
That is
the point.
No, my divert. No,
so obi ohokra na sabio. One na de okoye. But he started here. Sabio our boss or manager na started say kan ho asem papa.
Ya. It's over Judian.
That be over Judian on pesa. We have that kind of people. We are there. There are many. There are many. Until nipa bia what you say, please use your common sense. Jeni ma one kasa dwene ma wo ho obi na be yi opie but please an you pano onye onyankopon onye onyankopon obi ho ni kunu asam. It's like when they talk about so yem fa bibi say obi ho an yire no oba na te ade bi e be si oni ni kunu tambia no wa fa telephone no wa frɛ ne maame obetimi aka the A to Z
ye be si bia
ni kunu yakwasia waye wi obi ko on senti bema bi wo ho am catch your plane abusuya ne yire busuafo no ye mu no wa lose respect e wa busuya no adentia de ne yire ye ntia oba bi wo so a woni ne kunu busuya no wa lose respect adentia de ne kunu ye den e ye ntia sa ne ma we nyina no sabe o e ye jimi ye won sam bi wo ho ye ne ma bi wo ho a you must deal with it one kasa hwe na deal with that issue na solve that problem. You don't need anybody to come in. The we hear will be so bebam no. And no, a different matter. A different.
That's the be one my kukuamu.
That's the point. You don't need anybody to come in. You don't need any prophet. You don't need any pastor. You don't need any chief. Be as obem. You must deal with it. I get to the point. No, I didn't call her. What do you say? And no one can say. Bemo who say this time there, I need somebody to come in. And you'll be also keke.
And man, why ye the
and then you need somebody to come in.
Yes, I say, yeah.
Oh, chrono the call. Chrono the call. Chrono call. Sister, brother, you are next on the line. A woman say we are next on the line. I say can't be BMO. I say don't be torso. But we mistakes in tea. Anytime be a now weak point. So sanyama we yadia e kutia nkrofo e wa busuam and ne busuani bi obi okwa e busua bi wo obi ne yene ma wase obi agina no nyam ho na gi won nyam ubenya prophet bi ubenya pastor bi so amana hye won
yeah kro maka bi a kire
that's the point ubenya obi amana hye won kom say maami we ma obi agi won nyam pa cho ho na kwaje.
It normally happens when e bia na wo no we ye ketwa na unuam penifio ho no ye wo bobla na okwa nim pe.
Yeah.
Yes, I didn't see na unuam ketwa benjamin nim.
When nim ketwa in the thinking. When their power of thinking become weak, you buy any story. When you are thinking of power become weak, you buy any story. Are you following what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
But one say when obi wo wa so the thinking is strong. Sometimes when I'm hard then I say stability, determination, understanding. One kasa ni peduano you must say to me plus anima we our life
lawyer na mami ansa ne sense so bio first one here then
stability determination, understanding. It's a saw tell one say. One kasa, Sanya Mammy and saying, would you tomb say, oh, and I will operate this idea. So obi the disability breme, obi the understanding, obi the saw mommy understanding, obi no saw mommy determination. Brother, are you telling me say we okay? Are you telling me say we okay?
Emfa.
Next time, Sanya Panini Hua. We are empty. We are empty. It's like we are business transaction. Obi your business. Anytime you be your business, Biano. At the end of the day, you know the business. When in business, then so anything can happen. Be a bit to me, see. And not just say your business here now.
There be.
And you see, then I saw ye. Then I win him and son, then I win ye, and I didn't know one casano who apply our life from one son who will business no more.
I don't ask him.
Can't you want your story of the business? Be to me, see. Do so be I get to somewhere. No, I have said now kind of him. Now to try an entry. Now I say, oh, Tony Ding. And why you say, when him kind of fast, look, I say, oh, life for now, woman, son or fair moon can ne, or we do baby, I would do.
There be that.
And go for taking risky be, I want life for me. I'm a name, no, can say, they are now somewhere. And you are telling me, sir, what could you draw, and they seek a draw, and our for baby, and our friend. What's a cocoa from here?
It's simple.
Also, Konako Flemby.
Open so yet to saw, don't I?
Yes, Konako Flemby. Yes, Konako Flemby. Now there will be a from I don't know the uncle Flem. Are you follow what I'm saying? So we have to think as a sea of dream my home. The problem is say yes, I say nipa biano or junior day and my home. Think the one day won't even trust it. No one can say won't take stock of your life. So Obina may take him out. The BS will be a bad advice.
Ti lawyer me te wase wa ha de mo na bra bia wo bodo ube hia se bedum pempen so betumi atena ase ne wabu abrabo no ho nkonta.
Yes,
sa bra me bo no me hyase ase ya na nanka me ko
that's a point.
Bia me ko na ho na me nam yi ana mafom
kwan no, that's all. But what said there be wonye
ene ye ntan nye o
me ba wonye na wo pese obi
ene be ye ma wo
prophet bi na me ye ma wo
ene wo bebre
osofo bi na me hye nkom ma wo obi na me ye bidibi ma wo amafo tumilika kwa so dem kokwaje mpaebo nyina onua eyede ya eyede ntia introduction direction ntuti asase so na wo need direction. Are you telling me say we nipa
hu pa
say nipa ba nipa ye friend nipa sabe nyansafo mpiem la na wo so asoro be gina mu
ontimi ma
you are not so it nipa biara. Where you you need somebody to introduce you. To when you introduce me, that doesn't mean say me yamu niema nyina no me meka de wo me yamu nkyerɛ wo. Na me nya be ka de wo me yamu kyerɛ wo na ba oh and na me so no nya be ma we yo and na so no nya oba we yo and so what? The question is so what? And so aduane a medi aduane a be ye na nwumina na say me twa bi gu me de bi gu chance mu e de bre wa na.
Be ye video ko nyina ma na hwe nkwan nim.
Oh yes. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. And to go for P, to terminate because of this. And to because of that, and Abrabana you busy basanti the best na obeti me ya ebe buano and say obi na yemi. By four money. By four be na yemi, but on some na yemi. There be nipa na or introduce you no or introduce you ma sebi DLFM no on one but on some no.
Enti lawyer sade enkomo ekue no enipa bia Nyankopon abo wa sabe wo hwene tia wo hwene ntemu na wo wa nan nante ko wani mu no bre bia ye bo no ohun sa afi bia beso ne ye beko new year ni mu a yesi ye new year resolution na akopagya yensa afo mpese menya sika se gu me bank account me pese me si dan me pese me toka ba afene ba kwa we no na sa na montuo ne ginasie na wosie ne ba kokura mbam. Entina ho behia sa sampempen so bebu nkonta bi sa ho se botara de si wani so na die enti na ama na mamu.
The best thing ade ba kwa ya no say time no so ya na na yire fi. On kai kra say o ka say.
O de botai bi kra se de ne so.
On kai. Eni na make say.
Na say won wa yira kwan o.
O that is point na make say no. On say adwunu mu ye mra this is what happened. On kai kra say on de botai bi ya dey. E see na ni so say no obeye. And once I want him in Kaino, what is happening? What is next?
Why?
So and found who you are. And the best I did back so I say transit near dream when you who said Nipa Bia what your assassin to be ano. Sabi one casano or power utumia Yamedia Mauno is a odia. And you'll be idea. The other than me 2 minutes so the question will be inside on and control to me no man. So what is the mature? And the Nipa P fee say as me yes idea we ya and a man for be who say me ye papa me ye good person. So good ninja Jimmy.
Wow.
And yes, it doesn't make sense. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Sure, like so that
is me. Because they see I know because say can chow, but the next person I will tell in channel, but Ophelis are paying me.
David. One can cry with him say wepra.
Ophelis are paying me. And to introduce me, that doesn't mean say you become a thing God to me. Always I have to report to you. What the hell are you talking about? Always I have to report to you because why introduce me? Now what buy you know? Who cash will be the introduce you will be now? Sadi pana obey nyame amawana. So many things has happened. Yeah, a confusion, a bunny pantam because people are not thinking. No, a weak. Because say me malam be na dream mame, me konfo be na dream mame, say me sofo be na dream mame. Who you okay? Who you nipa say no dream? And the time biano issue be bani a person discuss about that issue. I say consult. Now we call yes or kotamalea.
And I saw you to make what you to me about na konfo na wu.
No, you hope you.
O to make what you to me be na bibia ba so okona okọ seek for advice. Be kwa na nipa na okọ to me one.
And the best thing that I see a transit dream on say, massa obie no wa or control our life.
Yan fa ni say bia obemasa. And wa call malam na sorry malam dey say omoye achechirefo wa call konfo nchen na wa kwa akwaje eyi be madu na be me ya kese okoya atraso na o kwa say konfo ne bibi kakra mfa okoya wawu enti no sa no be nden let's what to me am obi e ma dey say adi wawu
enti say the idea the chance are be ye
wow
enti ya dwen no e won konfo nsem p dwen p ya thinking the power of thinking.
Obia introducing but introducing we no waje na bra bo no woni sem body amano
abusua bi sa na abusua bi tie abusua bi I say obi aka so before obi akwa abrechiri na ordinary papa ba wadwa bi ordinary chat take it to be fan de ko afa papa e konya kwense cross pacho menya kwense o koto asase o sim pacho makoto asase o amasamayo o ye o sim aye we o complain ono so koto na for some 1,000 years
o mobra
sabi brogo ba ko ntwa bi o ka so he will be happy with you. But which na ho na catch him so when yate.
Obefa obesma kwa me palangas for no kububu ni nyina to.
Oh, it's sometimes
I can say man so abasa ase so.
Sometimes you need somebody whether you like or not, as I said no. We just obi be you apie. But please, Danny Pano onye onyankopon.
Na nipa bia kura ntumi nya obi nyankopon.
Enye bibia na say report man no. Say what the member adwumam, but some so na me Jimmy pay, I say me the be kire. What do you mean?
Well, sika ogie nyina say otumi ka
Jimmy pay na me dey bet say because na dey me bed dwom ti no but so me aso ma Jimmy pay enti sika ni nie. Wo ye okay. Ono ogie ne dey na o dey bet kire o. Ogie ne dey na o dey bet kire o.
Na say me ye boni aye na mmom ye mfa brabo na show bi nsa ma ne mama ye.
Enyi obi boni aye, obi oye boni aye bia no seven projects you become the consultants of the witchcraft.
Better than before.
Obi oye boni aye bia, obi a wo say onyi aye, na oye boni aye bia, you are consultants of the witchcraft. Me will be na me de ma e wo papa wa ye me. And no have nothing to do with say me ma me reviews bi ankyerɛ me gi me pay me fa me kyerɛ. Introduction. Nipa ho na introduce obi o wiase.
Na me de Kofi Taylor ba DLFM so me ye adwuma nti Kofi ba ye no.
Ogi ni pay.
Afa ne se makoa.
Nti ogi ni pay so de bra be kyerɛ.
Kofi kogya ne nan kora ade o kra me.
Say me patcho me kogya me nan o. O say kokogya nan. Na o ka kyerɛ se mo kogya ne nan so e.
Say so otena ho.
So otena ho.
Na wo huna ma.
Na wo say no ho.
Yes waji abrabo ne boama.
And then such person no anytime bia na issues be ba you be discuss no. Na no de.
Esa abrabo ne woni nsem.
Unyansa we. Say the politics and discussion no bia. One here one can word cry because who can word pair. No wadwen say me tumi sha so mesinsa. Ade bi wo ho a enka enye esese wo kan straight but untimi nka.
DLFM 106.9.
Such person how do you call yourself say be nyansa for ba baby. Are you follow what I'm saying?
Sure, lawyer.
So Sanya money you know and ya dear bia sabi oh yeah the idea no nyam afa. But when Bible can be we should think about it. Oh, was it because of lack of knowledge? I didn't see.
My people perish.
So knowledge, you know, any day.
So
that is the point. You have a problem. And I want to say you say I check the be high friend hum ahodo mu metimi hum way. But a moon a very difficult amame. Until rather man hum ahodo mu. Not is a hum dorso. Mammy hum ahodo mu. Now, if you take a decision about whom crime of us, we take it. We need that kind of spirit. You're telling me, say, Matubayi, Utuhambayi.
Hi, you are listening to us live on DLFM 106.9. We are live on Facebook and then YouTube as well. Lawyer Frank, Kobna Afrifa, and Anopay, no, Edin, Command, and Command, say, when are we next on the line? But you need someone to introduce you. But the dependent introduce you, we answer. Wabra bone nyane dia enti mane nye wabra bone mama won firi se wo mane je pe waso be pam lawyer ya bra no ba bia do ne nyama tiefo no kwamre mu na ye wi ane ya beje o final submission na ye ne etiefo no awie enti ubetimi aboard ya wura mu 05340 50199 059340 6565 lawyer Frank Kobna Afrifa machine lawyer machine president na komo ne die nie ababa no hia se obi be so wonsa achira wo kwan na mo achira wo kwan ni wi a emfo ablabo ni nyina nhia ne service obetumi ayew kumufudumufo madache wonsasi fom dia na woka good morning wodini ma bia kasa free
kwame ni o taxi driver
bra kwame me yentio anopai
peni fo se afutu wi ati se dra enyo aso mi ya ni mo soso a ana na ya se bia wo mu bia no deko intenne doctor futu ni de e fa ne se e yadu a nyo pa wi asing na le mo mu a betimi an mo de na cha se ya ni mi ha video bia no se se tuko ana pe machine ya me bana baso pa afutu we no enka hifie ni mpanifo hia ne ke kanse mo and then they are chair into
bye. Good morning. Yes, sir. Abbas.
Rabeni.
Mamintio.
Yeah, the lawyer say papa anopay. Share empini for say. Yeah, be wo your friend saying penny wo ansani ye den ye wo hene. And I'm boaminia.
No.
The same penny for more, but near DD no. On an heading, yeah, the man.
Sure.
Me 49. Sebi, my young kubi, F number crack a kew, me patuti, me number. Ewa car, why, yeah, Tom, I make a talk car, nekeke. Will you catch me say car now, me toy in my money commission?
Ah.
Car no Sebi, and you will see can I make a talk. What would Sebi, send a lawyer, can you send any pa you soon nearby here? Just a one for number, mammy. I'm a makoto car ninti. Just a mesolia me huna me mungo to get. Na me na for no one antemeso. Ya di wait na. Emma ye. I know pay some be me do be see ya the lawyer say. Ya sebi papa kai or senior sebi enyansa for way or mo na tinyansa nyom ananyansa kata ase. Enti some lawyer bro so be one away. So some would not na wo fana dia se wa dwini na dia bobra na bia ni ho wonti bingura
ya me shira Abbas Western ya me ka ho bebre good morning
Brother Sammy pacha pomo to say
ya me adom me ho ye na won so e
de adom
me dofo be ni
pacha we Janet
sister Janet kasa free
Madina State
ma yenti wo anopai
yo we de ye da ma say da lawyer so ase asem de ni nyina na lawyer aka no na ye Ghana ha ye TD so also we de asem we be ye dwuma yi na aboa wa na montu a watanfo so be do so so say ye hanom ne de so obi introduce uwie na say e bia wo so wo da ka mu kra mpo be ka say ha so hu boni aye ni no adwuma na ekoso no wa me hu ne e ko wa me ante de e koso kra ba me lawyer so kan no se utie no na the ball bra eno na asa na odi kan kan your secret is your power enti no se bibi e be koso mo obi ho a eno no betumi hu ha obesi a plan e de afia o ba onim de ekobia obi hu ana pam waya de kro no obi hu ana pam waya de kro na wankasa na ebe ko na de aboa yeda wasefa na menhira mo
amen
we dey brasa me meshira 1 minute me ma Gershon Castle Gate me man happy birthday
okay
yankofo nhira no pa
amen also betimi about the room 05345 019905934065 wo ba ye befa wo nan koma hodo a lawyer Frank kobena Afrifa ne dia no pay no wo de wadwe nkyere dia ba good morning ipa chodi no bia kasa free
But me the rate me kasa free tema.
sister rate am yentia no pay
Oh, I pay dear. Okay, for pa na futu yo dama di. Komo bia. I'm de me hu example. Adam for ya, me madam for brabua, me nia me bibia. O ya de bia up to now. Adam for ne men kasa. Na ma me ka tem se enya hwe, me ne nkasa. Nanso me koma ade o de ye me no. Nche se eni kwan baby ase sa asem no. Esi me ne ntem. Nti up to now me ne nkasa. Nti e no kure so adamfo ana wonu akura wonu nam na aka asem de kire na. Bo se chi no a ese de cho nantini. No kutia. Nti futo ne die.
yadase
Koma na nyame nhyira no.
amen nyame nhyira won so pa ba wonu ana ne mbom wa ne nyaka ne nyaka wo dia ne so behwe ho yi no wa ma wa adwene no we hu kwampa befa so be yusu adwene se be ya ommu sa akwase ne bi why
na wo si de mesra o akonya ba ko ba me sister me mesro me kuma ni mponse and birthday Patricia Nyako abro no ma wo kuma se
yo
Dise otia na wonche kura me man happy birthday na me nka no ho
yo
no man nkwatentin nche amen
good morning wodi ne bia kasa free
le kasa fi am faso ka wa ku ta faso
sini awudin
me bi Isaac
Mr. Jake mayentio
die le mo da sem baba o dadi mun faso bebre pa no program boy bia in sanko e blow man Ghana e faso e blow man Ghana no kasa bebre amo kanyina bia tu pa din kai bebre me da master
ya me nhyira obibiri Mr. Isaac say won su bowura me ye last caller na ye de Afrifa na si ne yakwaji en final submission e de free lawyer Frank kobena Afrifa nchen good morning
morning me yakwajo
senior wodi na bia kasa free
in the Kwame Esel I'm a tompa ball pamplam last stop
black Kwame me yentia no pay
tale black yo lawyer nyame nhyira papa
amen
I'm sure na papa o na mama o no pa
amen
I'm sure no on share wan kasa so
amen
we great you
that's
I'm sure mo obi nto aso bye bye
me da se pa de bia duro no yentimi emfa Afrifa mo mfa che vise ye bre no enya aso ane sa na make say no eye Ghana nyina jawre president na ni bidi abedi a ode abetene fianse me matamba kokora pa ho a oni mbe wie kura etire me pese me ya ma so be ye hye kura lawyer what Ghana for nenka omo chim se nsem ne de ano odin pa na je se de nani ade ne betumi anom na wa anom so a waso be ye hye
really the whole thing is yet to ha me ade ba ko pena da bia meka tambia no ese se wotimi dwene ma ho na wotimi penyansa ne bi na ade ho bo no nyansa wo sone so a wonya ntete bia mfiri so
ne kwasem
nyansa wo sone so a se de wo sone saa na bete enti wodi nyansa ni namo a eboa e ma wotimi package your life here e ma hu what to do
okay
and at the end say we
okay
saa ne ma we nyina boa wo ma wabrabo no hu nani so enti wo ye wo de wabrabo no to nsane ani a wotimi hu say why you be pa but amane saa na obi na dwene ma wo dia wo problem pa
wow
thank you very much
you welcome to lawyer Frank kwabena Afrifa wi ase nyina machine president ana no pay ene ne de nkomo e wo DL 106.9 si said lawyer aka no be hia obi obe introduce you say wona wo ye nurse obe so won say no so won say wie pe krache money na ho free say ebia na mosere ko daache betumi abeya otamfo a wanhwe a na otun akutwi anopa ye de wasi ye dia mejeso no eye Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B DJ Omalion edimi ko Facebook sanso na kofitela bo modern ye settings bibia sama mola support no manopa ni beso sompa Lawyer Frank obra Afrifa ya menhyira opisa woje mre na anopa ye woni ebesuare me so de so na afia sugar net na se na ode jawre e de atoa so de ama ho emamu nyina